Hi guys, welcome back to the garage. I am coming on for a hot minute because I'm going to do a tarot tag that I completely missed. Thanks to YouTube not notifying me that one of my buds had put up a new video. And so this is the tarot tag, What Would Mother Say? And this is one coming from Sound of an Ocean Wave, our friend Steven, and I think it's quite appropriate for me because y'all know my mother passed on 2 years ago. So I would like to wonder what she's thinking. I think I know, but I'm going to ask these guys that same question. So I already did a ton of shuffling off camera to get ready for this because, like I said, it's going to be a hot minute. So here we go. There's four questions. Um, and the questions are, what would mother be pleased with? What would she want me to improve on? What warning or concern does she want to give me? And what advice or encouragement does she have for the way forward? So those are the four questions. I'm going to link Steven's original video down below. My bud Jeff, Tattooed Spirit, he already did a VR, so I'm going to link his VR below. And then there's me. So here we go. Okay, so what is my mother pleased with? My mother is pleased with this Four of Swords. So I think my mother is pleased that I am taking time for myself. I am taking more time for myself, caring for my stepdad than I did when I was caring for her. And so I think she's pleased that I've recognized more of a balance with my stepdad than I had when I was caring for her. So yeah, yeah, I think that's what it is. I'm giving myself a little bit of a break here. So I like that. Okay, so what does Mama think I should improve? The Six of Cups. Hmm. The Six of Cups. Now, I know most folks think of the Six of Cups as nostalgia, but it never has struck me as nostalgia. It has always come to me as kindness and giving. And I think she just wants me to be aware of not giving too much, which I've been known to do in the past. Funny nostalgia in the past. So I think she's just wanting me to be careful of how much I give, and I'm not. She's not just talking about heart wise, mind wise. Being there for people. It's also financially. I've been one to always, to a fault. So I think she's trying to just make sure that I watch where I put my money, or maybe who I put my money with. So yeah, that's a good warning. And then the last thing is, what advice or encouragement for the way forward? The Hanged Man. The Hanged Man. I think maybe what she's trying to say is, don't be in a hurry. Take your time. There's no rush. There's no rush to do what you want to do. So I'm going to get interrupted here. Hold on a second. I will call him back. So anyway, oh gosh, this is how my videos are going to go. I'm pretty sure from now on. Anyway, I think that's what she means by the hangman. Don't be in a hurry. You're doing just fine. So yeah. So there you go. There's my four cards. What my mama would say, And I think it's all good. All right, guys. Much love. I'll see you next time.